Welcome to the last section of this class, and for this we're looking at button slicer. Okay, so we'll move on now straight to our dashboard. So the button slicer is just an improvement of the slicer which we already saw. This slicer which we already saw. So this is the button slicer. Okay, just like we had the card and then the improvement which was the card new. So we also have for the slicer, and replacement is not the replacement, improvement is button slicer. So I'm click on the button slicer, click on the button slicer. You have this now. So you see you have almost all of them here. You see for Canada, this and this. Let me adjust. You can adjust. I'm replacing what's it called again? I'm replacing the country with this now. So that's just your button slicer. It has everything here at once. So you can format it if you want. The colored values, you can change the value to whatever color you want. Yeah, the size and also the font type. That's how to format. So that's just almost like the slicer. But then I think I still prefer, unlike the other one where I prefer the improvements, I think I still prefer the other one. But then they have different functions. All right. So that's how to use this button slicer. So we've come to the end of this part where we'll be seeing how to import our chart, where we see how to import everything we've explained so far. So we've come to the end where we've seen how to install, upgrade. We've done all of the part 1, we've done all of the part 2 where we installed and imported all the charts. We also saw how we also went ahead to see the basic maps, the feed maps, the table and matrix, how to format them also. Went ahead to see the scatter plots, the test cards, the KPI and slicers, filter and visuals. Then finally we saw button slicer. So that's basically how to use this thing, how to import them. So in our next class, which is the most interesting part, we will see how to build a dashboard. Are we ready for this now? So we're moving straight now to the practicals. See you in our next class.